Hello team, I'm Jay Song. Let's go over some cryptocurrency updates. On my Chartroom website, I have posted out a video on YouTube for the Bitcoin warning. You've probably seen that from my previous video, so I want to talk about that first. The major warning we had was from October 26th, 2021. And the chart commentary that I had was from these three charts that I created. I had put that we were under a major trend on the daily chart, and we came under a time where we are still under the sword cut and under major weakness. We were being supported by this one trend line at the time of October 26th. However, at the time of that writing, we also received another warning based on the volume. And the volume was such that there was selling at this level. And when you see selling right at the sword cut range, that's a very, very big sign of a reversal about to happen. We would expect price to now come underneath these next supporting trend lines. These levels of support here are created using my a proprietary method I use called star analysis. And these give me special angles which price will hit and sit on and find support and describe to you its behavior. These lines were created many weeks ago. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. During my dive live stream, I covered Bitcoin and I went over this analysis from October 28th and October 29th. We covered this live. We saw that after that analysis and that YouTube video, price did come down. It went exactly to my star level analysis line and came up. It came up and tested that resistance level, but also tried to break through the star level. It could not at that time and sat on top of it. Now price went up and tested the line one more time with a close against that resistance level. Scrolling up to Bitcoin on November 1st, we see this new analysis that I've created. Adding, we had supports here and a move up. This created a new support level. This is not a star line, but it is a support level. It is another level price needs to break through. However, we are still underneath the sword cut range. So this level will be extended now. And I'll show you the most updated prices in just a moment. The commentary that I wrote The commentary that I wrote was that Bitcoin is still in danger. It is not on the right side of price action. However, a new wick support has been added and that can slow the fall. Please be careful. I am not bullish BTC until it changes behavior. So we would need to see price come on the tops of these red lines here. That would indicate a change in behavior. For now, price can get stuck in this range, but we can also see a major breakdown very quickly all the way down to 53,000, and it can happen very soon. Even up to 50,201 would be the next support levels after that. But these two angles, this flat and this dynamic line right here, is the next star level that should hold up price for Bitcoin. However, remember, if Bitcoin falls, UST.D is usually have already risen up. And also many cryptos will fall when Bitcoin falls and UST.D goes up. And finally, that leads me to my analysis for today, November 4th. You'll see on the daily chart that Bitcoin has not passed the sword cut level. It has now hit it twice, and both times it rejected, came all the way back down to star support, came all the way back up, and then came back down. Back to the star level. Right now we are here. Also, it's important to note that we had ultra high volume on this up bar, but was that buying? How could it be buying if the next two bars are down bars? This indicates that a lot of selling was actually done on the up bar. Remember, for the professional monies to hide their intentions, and this is how actual real manipulation works according to the Wyckoff method, you're going to notice that this white up bar or your chart would look green, has so much actual selling into it. And you'll see the ultra high volume, and the next bars that reveal what really happened are just down bars. So when you see this means that selling is taking place at these levels. So again, this is natural for this to happen at a sword cut level. This indicates more evidence on why that funny business is going on with Bitcoin. So this is kind of very scary for Bitcoin to happen. We're seeing the ultra high volume on those up bars, just like we did here, followed by an increase. We went down, pushed through, and now we have ultra high volume, but no results. If this was really super high volume, we should have pushed through. Instead, we actually went down, and we went down on lower volume. So there may be another test. We may get a few more days before we go down to the next green level again, matching this red level. It may happen tomorrow. That intersecting point is tomorrow on November 5th. And then if we get below that green level, we should be going down to 53 at the moment. So that's what I see according to my data. I just wanted to give you that update about Bitcoin. Stay tuned and watch one of my other videos that will be covering some more recaps of different cryptocurrencies. This is all taken from our website, www.patreon.com/jsong_7, where I cover many cryptos. I think more than 40, 50 cryptos we're doing, somewhere around there. And we do live analysis where we cover the charts live, and you're welcome to join and sign up to become a member. Membership still costs just $1 to sign up to get access for all the charts and the chart maps that I create. Thank you guys. Have a great day.